Hey guys, if your Vivint thermostat displays the wrong room temperature or your home feels much warmer or cooler than the reading on the screen, you're in the right place. This issue can happen because the thermostat is installed near a heat source. Direct sunlight is affecting the temperature sensor. Airflow around the thermostat is blocked. The air filter is dirty, or the thermostat hasn't updated its temperature reading after recent HVAC operation. In some cases, a temporary sensor issue or outdated firmware can also cause inaccurate readings. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Keep the thermostat away from direct sunlight and heat producing appliances. 2. Replace a dirty air filter to improve airflow throughout your home. 3. Restart the thermostat and allow a few minutes for the temperature to refresh. 4. Compare the reading with a reliable room thermometer placed nearby. 5. Update the thermostat firmware if a newer version is available.